Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Pix-Link LV-WR60T Repeater. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Pix-Link LV-WR60T Wi-Fi Repeater is a wireless device that helps extend the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi network. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. In the first step, insert the Pix-Link repeater into a power outlet near your main router. Wait about 30 to 40 seconds for the device to power on. The power LED light will become stable when the device is ready. Open Wi-Fi settings on phone/laptop. Look for network name like Pix-Link 2.4G, Pix-Link 5G. Tap Connect. No password usually, or check sticker. You may see no internet, that's normal. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari. Type this address in the address bar, 192.168.7.1. The extender login/setup page will open. Click Login. Usually no password is required for first setup. You will see different modes, repeater mode or AP mode. Select repeater mode. Click Next/Apply. Repeater mode is used to extend existing Wi-Fi. Now click Scan. The repeater will display a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. Find and select your main router Wi-Fi name, SSID. Carefully type your router's Wi-Fi password. Make sure, correct uppercase lowercase no extra spaces. Click Apply/Save. Wrong password means no internet after setup. You may see Wi-Fi name options, same as router, or add suffix like _ext, example, home Wi-Fi _ext. Click Save/Apply. Password will usually remain the same as your router. Now click Apply/Connect/Save. The extender will start connecting to your router. This process may take 30 to 60 seconds. The extender may restart automatically. Once the setup is completed, open your device Wi-Fi settings again. Look for the new extended network such as your Wi-Fi _ext. Manual setup of the Pix-Link LV-WR60T repeater is now complete. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.